Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and in today's video, we are gonna do a speed cleaning. It is Friday night after we all came from work and school, and we had plans to go out because my one of my sons turned 18 years old yesterday, and I have a surprise for him, which due to the inclement weather, it was postponed until next Saturday. And tomorrow we actually have some friends coming over, small gathering. So I told the kids we need to clean the upstairs. We need to get it done. I know we all tired and exhausted, and we did it. We pulled through, and everyone helped around the house, and we got the cleaning done. So if you're looking for some motivation, this is the video for you. And just be mindful that sometimes our family members want to help, sometimes they don't want to help, and oftentimes when they are helping, they give us an attitude, and it's okay. But you get it done, you pull through, and one day the kids are going to look back and appreciate that with attitude or no attitude, you did something together, and it sticks, and they're memories. And one day they're gonna appreciate it, even if they don't see it now. So I know I'm a little upset because I didn't realize the pants that I was wearing, the leggings, they are this see-through, and I had other footage to show, but I'm just very disappointed, and I apologize. As you could see, that my underwear is pretty much showing throughout the whole video. So again, sorry, but I did want to post this and show you that with the mess that I had, that it is possible for you, even when you're exhausted, to just get some motivation. Just start. Whatever you are, just start. Put a timer for 5 minutes if that's what it's gonna take for you to address an area in your house. And believe me, once you start moving, it's like you wanna do a little more. And if you are very pressed for time, then just put a 20-minute timer and say to yourself, after I do this, then I'm just gonna take a break, because you also deserve that. You deserve to pause, and you deserve to relax, especially when you're going into a weekend. So without further ado, let's just listen to some music and let's get these rooms clean.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
If you're wondering why I have a crib in my room, which by the way has become in the past 2.5 years like the place where I dump everything, the projects that I'm working with, or when I do laundry, usually I tell the kids just dump all the clean laundry in the crib, and then we'll get it done. We fold it there. But why do I have the crib? Because I'm a foster parent. I'm a foster mom. And what happens is licensing comes out once a year, and then your resource worker comes out every 3 months to your home to inspect your home. And what it is you always need to have the space ready for a child to enter. And if they don't see a crib, it means that in my chart in their office, they will say that Mariana doesn't have a place for a baby. So that's why the crib is there.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the
One of the things that I like to do, especially in the rooms that doesn't require for me to sweep or use my other heavy duty vacuum. It just have the iRobot, vacuum the floors as I'm dusting. And by the time I'm done dusting or folding something, then the floor it's clean. And then I go in and I cleaned it. Now here, I love this old cedar mop because it's so easy. I usually put water and then I like to use Fabuloso, and this one in particular, it's also an antibacterial. And sometimes I shine my floor, sometimes I don't. But this weekend, again, this is a speed cleaning, so I am not polishing the floor. I am just disinfecting the floors. But you're gonna see that you should spritz the liquid and then you go in and you mop. And the beauty of this, that once you're done, you could rinse them up or throw it in your washer machine. And I loved it. I absolutely loved it. I also love the Fabuloso, the flavor, the not the flavor, the smell is amazing.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes.
Here we're entering the 12-year-old boy's room, and as you can see, Matthew, he has a lot of Legos and toys, and there's clothes all over the place. But again, both of the boys, they helped me. We pulled through and, we separated the clothing that needed to be folded back in the cabinets and the one that needed to be taken downstairs to the laundry room. We try to clear the counters as much as we can together. And Matthew wasn't too happy about having to help, but he did help. He actually, it's a great helper. And again, in this room, I had to use the broom because there was too much going on that floor, and the Roomba wasn't going to be able to do the job.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond dawn. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. If I could hear my father's voice, he would tell me to move on. He would say I'll be just fine. Yeah, he would tell me we have time, time to laugh and time to heal. Our favorite song is on repeat.
If you're wondering what are the requirements in your house for you to be able to welcome a foster child in your home, I have a video dedicated for that. That you could check it out, as well as if you're wondering what does it take for you to be licensed as a foster parent. I have a whole playlist about foster care. If you're interested, go check it out.
Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. Ooh, I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about the hidden place, something in the atmosphere. You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you.
And it is 9:10. I don't know if you can see it. 9:10 p.m. I'm tired, but I got through it, and it's just a speed clean, and I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much. If you stay this far to the end of the video, I hope you got motivated to get up and do a very quick speed cleaning, organized, do as much as you can, and then enjoy the rest of your weekend. See you next time. Thanks for being here. I truly appreciate you, and virtual hug.